Kunal Botra, are we in for a mild fall? ये तो history है भैया. It's just a coincidence, right, Kunal?
Absolutely, yes.
That what
3 out
goes
of 5.
down? 3 out of 5.
Yeah.
That means the history is favoring that we could be in for a mild decline.
Correct.
So what is your understanding of the
And to add to the fact, Nikunj, I was looking at the volatility analysis over the last 10 years, 10 budgets specifically. We are almost at one of the lowest curve in terms of the volatility curve. So the India VIX is at 14.5 to 15.5 on closing yesterday. We were at a point in 2020, 21, 19 where the VIX was 20 plus also on an average. So we are going in with a very low kind of volatility, which means the markets are expecting that this could more or less be like a non-event. And the swings which you mentioned, 2.5 to 3% as an intraday swing, major part of the swing actually happened in 19, 20, 21. And that's why you're seeing the average. Right now, if you look at the last 2-3 years, 22, 23 and 24 Feb, the swings have been just 0.5% to 1% only.
Okay, so how should our viewers approach the market today?
So I think we should now approach with, more of a positive bias. We've seen the markets go into a correction pre the budget in the last couple of days. I think the froth seems to be out. Mid caps and small caps have corrected. Large caps are stabilizing. They're acting as more of a balancing effect. So I think it's a fantastic construct in terms of the market parlance.
Okay. So what is your data indicating?
So we've called out some very interesting data, Nikunj. And on the budget day as well as post the budget day, there are some interesting facts. Now 9 out of the last 10 budgets which we've analyzed, the FMCG index has actually closed positive.
Okay, here's the one.
Exactly.
So the trade is by FMCG.
By FMCG.
The trade is by
Private
large
banks.
cap banks.
Yeah, private sector banks and financial banks, financial services, these indices have closed positive 7 out of 10 times.
You want to stay with this graphic. Now Kunal is making a very, very important point here, which is that 9 out of 10 times, 9 में से 10, 9 out of 10 times markets have gone or FMCG stocks have gone up after the budget. And I'm going to walk back again. And Kunal, there's this whole talk of rural India,
Correct.
Whole talk of, consumption getting stroked. So any hint towards more money, direct tax cut, more rural-based schemes. The first port of call is autos and FMCG. So
Exactly.
FMCG really could be that good trade for the day.
Exactly.
Second is private banks, safe and stable.
Correct.
In a market where value is not there and everything is overbought, private banks are still looking cheap.
Yes.
So these two trades really could be the trades for the day.
These are the trades for the day in terms of sector themes.
Okay, anything else as we rotate on?
So I think in terms of the other data, there is one sector which has been very weak. So ITC of course has been on a stock side.
Very good data.
Extremely positive.
9 out of 10 times ITC is rallied on the budget.
Yes.
Could it be 11 on 10?
I think it should be 10 on 11. Yeah.
10 on 11,
yeah,
sorry, 11.
Absolutely, yes,
Okay.
I think so.
Okay. Yes, what else?
So, and in terms of the weaker sector, the only sector which has been weak 7 out of 10 times on the budget is the media sector, and that too because of the overhang for Z, etc. I think that's the only reason why. This is a fantastic data. 10 out of 10 times, these three stocks have been closing negative on the budget.
So Chambal was up yesterday.
Yeah.
Is it time to sell or go short?
So this indicates that it's an intraday correction.
Okay. Texmaco Rail, darling of the market.
Yes.
Book out, cash out.
Cash out.
Sesha Sai paper, why have you picked it up? It's not like a...
No, it's come as a interesting
data.
stat. Yeah, it's a data over the last 10 years. Fertilizer stocks, railway stocks, and many of the defense and the PSU names, they've actually closed negative on the budget day.
Well, fantastic. So I'm going to just hand it back to Aisha and Anisha. And the setting on the table, Aisha and Anisha, is that markets are at an all-time high, market cap at an all-time high, valuations are looking stretched, but volatility is missing, flows are strong, budget is expected to be a no event, and if history is anything to go by, I think we'll say the line again that the pitch is strong, the climate is sunny, the dark clouds on the horizon are something which really needs to be taken care of. That's it.